Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn English workshop of Think Before You Speak of 9th standard. In this English workshop, we are going to learn warming up, margin questions, English workshop and language study. Warming up. First question. Do you write a diary? Answer. No, I don't write a diary. Second question. Do you write letters or notes to your friends and relatives? Answer. I don't write letters or notes to my friends and relatives, but I send SMS and WhatsApp messages to them. Third question. Do you ever fight with your friends? Answer. Occasionally I fight with my friends. Fourth question. Do you have argument with your family members? What are the arguments about? Answer. Yes, I have argument with my family members and the arguments are always about watching TV and playing games on mobile. Next question. Read the following words which may be used in place of speak. Just take a look at the word and its meaning. Next question. Prepare a similar list of adverbs which show the difference in the manner of saying or communicating something. A few examples are given here. Margin questions. Question number 1. Was Disraeli trying to give a scientific reason? Was he only trying to give a message in a light-hearted but effective way? Answer. No. Actually, he was not trying to give a scientific reason, but he was trying to give a message that man should talk less and listen more. Question number 2. You have learnt about adaptation in living things in your science textbook. Find the biological reasons why man's ear and mouth have developed the way they are now. Answer. Ears are sense organ that interrupt sound. Two ears will function better by capturing sounds from everywhere. Mouth is basically for feeding in all animals. It should be single one. It then leads to food pipe to carry swallowed food inside the body. Single mouth is easier for feeding and two ears for gathering all sounds around. Fourth question. Draw comic diagrams to represent the content of the first two paragraphs. Answer. Students should draw comic diagram on their own. Next question. Do you remember someone speaking to you angrily without thinking? What do you do on that occasion? Did you also speak angrily? Answer. Yes, it has happened with me quite often. When it's someone elder or it's my mistake, I keep myself calm and not to lose my temper. But when someone stranger getting angry on me without reason, then I can't tolerate it. Next question. Discuss what you can do to control your anger. Answer. When we got angry, we can do following things. First, counting slowly up to 10. Second, talking to our best friends. Third, going for a short walk. Fourth, filling our mouth with water so we can't speak to make the situation worse. Fifth, shutting our eyes and trying to stop listening. We can do these things in order to calm ourselves down and not to lose our temper. English workshop. Question number 1. Make two examples of your own with each of the words given below, using the same word as a noun in one and as a verb in another. Change. Noun. I could see the changes in your behavior. Verb. you must change your behavior. Show, noun, the show was really fantastic. Verb, show me your English book. Throw, noun, that was a good throw. Verb, throw the ball. Return, noun, I shall visit you on my return. Verb, I return from my school at 6 p.m. Benefit, noun, one always reaps the benefit of hard work. Verb, when you work hard, you benefit from it. Second question, complete the following. A. Our ears are like funnels because they are open all the time. B. The two rows of teeth are like the fence because before a word is spoken, it has to pass through this fence. C. The two lips are like a fence because before a word is spoken, it has to pierce through this wall. D. Harsh words are like scattered bits of paper carried away by the wind because once you have spoken the words aloud, it is difficult to take them back. Third question, write a brief summary of the story of a young man and his spiritual teacher, making the young man the narrator. You may begin as given below. I went quickly to my spiritual teacher for advice because I had hurt my friend using very harsh and unkind words, and it hurt him deeply. I wanted to make amends. My teacher gave me a fresh sheet of blank paper and a pen and asked me to write down on the paper all that harsh word I had used. When I did so, he asked me to tear up the sheets of paper into small bits and throw them out of the window. As I did that, he ordered to go out into the street and collect as many bits of paper as I could. I was taken aback. Indeed, it was a very difficult task, but I gave a try as per teacher's suggestion. After half an hour later, I returned empty-handed without a single torn bit. He told me that is what happens with the spoken word. Therefore, think before you speak in anger. Fourth question, translate the following sentences into your mother tongue. A. The first question we must ask ourselves before we speak is it true? बोलण्यापूर्वी आपण स्वतःला पहिला प्रश्न विचारला पाहिजे तो म्हणजे हे खरे आहे का? B. The second question to ask is it pleasant? दुसरा प्रश्न विचारायचा आहे तो ते आनंददायक आहे का? C. The third question according to Socrates is it useful? सॉक्रेटिसच्या म्हणण्याप्रमाणे तिसरा प्रश्न आहे ते उपयुक्त आहे का? लँग्वेज स्टडी. Sixth question. Find some examples of antitheses from your mother tongue and translate them into English. First, ऐकावे जनांचे करावे मनाचे. Listen to people but obey your conscience. Second, जरी आंधळी मी तुला पाहते रे. Though blind, I see you. Seventh question, now complete the following on your own. But I don't know why they are here. He told us a story that was very terrible. They went when nobody was there. Eighth question, think before you use. Name some ready-to-eat and ready-to-cook food items available in the market. Ready-to-eat food, poha, pav bhaji, basmati rice, veg pulao. Ready-to-cook food, dosa, noodles, pasta, vada, idli, upma, etc. Discuss the following in groups. A. Discuss whether it is necessary to use such items and why they are sold. B. Discuss the possible adverse effects of such food items. Students should discuss in groups in the classroom.